guys, today we're going to be, what are we doing today?
Pumpkin.
We're going to be carving a pumpkin, and we're going to be looking at the reaction between carbon dioxide, well, the reaction between baking soda and vinegar, which produces lots of carbon dioxide. And then we'll be able to see that, oh, it's going to look like a jack-o'-lantern volcano. You want to see a volcano?
Yeah.
Good. So here are the things that you'll need. First, number one, you're going to need a parent, that's someone like me, because we're going to be working with some sharp tools. These are our little cutters so that we can carve our jack-o'-lantern. Use anything like cheese cutters, or they'll sell like carving tools for pumpkins.
I want you to cut it, Mommy.
You can, because it's too sharp, okay?
Yeah.
Next thing you'll need is some vinegar, of course, about 1.5 cups. You're going to need some baking soda. Yeah. Some dish soap. It's going to make it extra bubbly, but it's not necessary. And some food coloring. We're choosing green, but you can choose any color.
Mom, I take it.
Alright.
I take this color.
And a marker to mark out your design. So first we'll start by making our design for the jack-o'-lantern. Alright, let's see the ring. Thank you. Good. Alright.
Now how we color it?
Alright. First we want a circle around the top. That's where we're going to open it.
Mom, do it by yourself.
Okay, make a circle. All the way around. Big enough. That's a good circle.
Yeah.
Good. So that's where we're going to open the pumpkin and scoop it out.
I'm gonna make a pumpkin.
Pumpkin face?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a happy one, Mommy.
Okay.
It's a happy.
Nice. I like that design. So we're going to do this. We're going to make 2 big circles for the eyes right here. We're going to make a little, what shape is this?
A triangle.
Triangle for the mouth. And you said you want a happy jack-o'-lantern. So we're going to make his smile look just like that. How's that?
Nice.
Good. All right.
Now
so
we're
let's
cutting.
start.
I'm open up by myself.
You want to see what's inside?
Yeah. What's inside?
Alright.
What's inside?
We gotta show everybody
Whoa,
what's inside.
it's seeds.
It is seeds.
Yes.
So what do we do with seeds?
Scoop it up.
We're gonna scoop it out.
Mom,
Yes.
with my hands.
Yeah, we could plant them.
Ew.
We'll grow more pumpkins.
Oh, that's disgusting, Mommy.
Cars are afraid of seeds?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, scoop them out.
Mommy, that is disgusting. Ew.
Oh.
That is disgusting. Ugh. I just doesn't know. I like it, Mommy. Because we're in apples, right? Oh, ew. That is disgusting, Mommy.
Oh my goodness, get it all out.
That is disgusting, Mommy.
Good.
I like it.
And now we can use a big spoon to help us. So I'm gonna help us get it all out.
Well, it doesn't fit. Fix, Mommy.
Yeah, this one's good. It fits. Scoop it all out.
Mama, I'm screwing with my hands. I'm screwing with my hands, Mommy.
Here, after I make it all loose for you, then you can scoop it with your hands. We can make some pumpkin seeds.
That is disgusting. Ew. That's disgusting. Ew. That is gross, Mommy.
Oh.
It's gross.
It's slimy.
Yeah, it's so gross.
All that stuff protects the seeds.
Mama, I want to do it with my hands, Mommy. I want to do it with my hands. That is disgusting, Mommy. That is disgusting. That is disgusting, Mommy. It's so slimy, Mommy.
Oh.
It's so yucky. Ew. Ew, 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 ew.
Alright.
What is ew?
Alright, next parts. We got all the insides taken out. Next, what do we gotta do? What's left?
This one.
Oh, what about the rest of his face? We gotta get the rest of his face done. Okay? So, we are gonna use, Mommy's gonna do this part again, okay? Oh, look at over there. What do you think, guys? Is this good?
Yeah.
Thumbs up for this?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
So next
Now
part,
we need some water.
we need our vinegar.
Vinegar.
We need our measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
We need our baking soda. So
Baking.
first, let's pour some baking soda in there.
Yeah.
How about a half cup? Is this a half cup right here, up to here?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's turn it around and let's pour in about a half cup.
Whoa! Mama, do it by yourself. Whoa! Ah!
Good job. Good knock it for you.
It's still big.
Yeah, let me open it up a little bit more.
Mommy, I want to put that in there, Mommy.
Okay, go.
Mommy, I'm doing it by myself, Mommy.
All right. Sometimes you need adult help.
Oh my
Oh. So let's see where it's up to now.
Yeah. But see, she's pissed it, right? She's gonna love it,
All
right?
right. So we got a little bit more than a half cup over here.
Yeah.
Good. Now we can take this and we can pour it into the pumpkin.
Oh my goodness.
There,
That's a
all
lot.
there. That's a lot. We got some extras over here.
Yeah. Mama,
Here.
now.
Scoop it and put it in there.
Okay.
All right. Next thing we do, we have our vinegar.
Mango?
Yes. And we have some food coloring.
Mm.
We're gonna make it green.
Yeah, mine.
And let's squirt it in there.
Whoa, my
That's
goodness.
good job.
No, I want the spoon, Mommy.
Now you can mix it.
I'm doing it by yourself.
All right, slowly mix it.
Whoa, why it turned green? She's gonna love it. Okay, guys, I think it's already. See, she
Yeah.
spits. Why
Now
mine?
we're gonna put a little dish soap in there so we get it extra bubbly, okay?
Yeah.
We gotta mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
Mine turned to green, Mommy.
Yeah.
It's bright green.
So what do you think is going to happen when we mix the vinegar and the baking soda together?
It spits.
It spits?
Yeah.
You're gonna get lots of bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah, those bubbles are all the carbon dioxide that's forming and coming out. All right, you ready, guys?
Yeah, Mommy.
You ready?
Mama.
Let's turn it around this way so everyone can see.
Whoa!
Oh my God, it's coming out of his head. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Wow.
I'm coming out.
It keeps coming out. Oh my goodness. So there you have it, guys. This is your pumpkin jack-o'-lantern volcano. We have our vinegar and our baking soda.
I take this.
And when it comes together, it makes lots and lots of gas bubbles.
Yay! Ooh. Get out!
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Come see us next week again for another video.
Yeah.
Say bye guys.
Bye guys. I can come back too. Bye. Oh, Open wide, Cookie Monster. Oh no, she ate it, Barbie. She ate it up. Open. Oh, good. Eat. Yum, yum. Mom, she wipes it, Mommy. She wipes it. Open wide.
Good job, tasty.
That's tasty, Mom. But the pumpkins, they're not eating it. Mom, she ate it.
Okay, that's cool.